Here's the grill. I got it with the silver trimming because they didn't have the black one. Also came little parts. So it's cool to add on top of there. And then it gives you the option of putting the S5 or the RS5 there. Nice. So I will install this today and do the oil change. All right, you guys, time to do the oil change. Take off the plastic cover. There's 4 little spots where it clips in. So after you take that off, I have to go buy a big ass 32 for the oil filter housing right here. So look at the clutch tool right here. Perfect fit. And just spin that. So after I take that off, well, I might just put the car up on the easy ramp right there. But I'm gonna actually change the bumper too, because I got the new grill that came in the mail. Yeah, boy. So I will be installing that too. Okay. Alright. Oh. Let that drain real quick. Oh. That drain right there. And nothing but the best, baby. Got some 540 liquid moly. You always have to make sure that it meets the rules. VW 502, 505. That's the recommendation for these cars. And I got an oil filter. Napa, baby. Napa usually has the best oil filters, so I always recommend to go with them. These oil filters are different. It's just a filter inside that you switch, so you keep the same housing. So yeah, I'm taking off the bumper too. There's a couple screws that were in here. Took them off. Then you're supposed to take this little light off too. When you're taking off the bumper, pull it off, pull these clips out. Take these little clips out right here as well with the screwdriver and flathead. Just work your way around them. Can't really do it with one hand, but after that, just take off the torch screws as well from down here. So I'll record my progress. That connect the bumper. Not these are for the light, so just make sure you get those, and then I'll yank it off. So after those, you just yank this part out. It comes out completely like this side. So after disconnecting all these screws, even the ones up here, I forgot about that one, goes all the way around, down the bottom, through the side, and then back to that little corner again. You have to disconnect this right here. This whole piece. This goes on the back of the new grill. So I'm disconnecting that right now. Old grill is out. Here's the little horn piece. Then I gotta swap the new one in. Right? So it's a bit hard to line it up and put everything in the right spot, so I would suggest getting these corners in first and throw the screw in a little bit, That way it can hold position, and then you hit those 3, and from there you can start locking everything in. And I still have to see exactly how I put the horn on this one, because it's a bit different, but it looks like it has some areas to bolt it on. And yeah, it actually comes out with this piece already was on there, that black piece, to block out this crash bar. So yeah, I'll continue. So the grill came with these attachments, you know, since it has it in the front of the grill, the S5 or the RS5, but they don't have the one that only says S5. I don't want to be a fake and put the RS5, so I guess the only way would be kind of to shift these over to the left and cut a piece off, or use my old one. I actually found a way to take it off. So in the back it was attached through here, so I just used the flathead screwdriver and just, it was kind of hard, but it came off because it's just clipped in there. So I'm gonna try to see if I could just maybe super glue it or find a way to throw a screw on the back. But so far so good. We'll see how it comes out when I'm done. So almost done with the grill. As for the S5 piece, I used the old one. I just used some super glue that I had, and everything's on. All the screws nice and tight all the way around to the bottom. The horn pretty much is held on by one screw. It doesn't really matter though, this shit's not going anywhere. There just wasn't another place to bolt those two. So I'm gonna put it back on. I brought out the ramps to do the oil change to give me space. So let's hurry up and do that. Whew. Put the cover back on. I'll wipe it down a little bit. Oh yeah, that's the final look. Not too bad.